What's going on, YouTube people? Everybody that watches my channel. As you can see right here, my PT Cruiser is back, but the engine is not in it. I paid somebody to do the work, and as you can see, they didn't do the job. Probably hear my chickens in the background. So we need to start by taking all the suspension out of it. We need to change the seal in the transmission. Take that CV axle out. Might just drop the transmission too, I don't know. This car blew a head gasket, and so I just decided instead of having more problems with it, we'd put another motor in it. That may seem like a lot of work, but I believe this motor only has, I want to say, they told me 86,000 or 89,000 miles on it. I got a new alternator, a new starter for it. I need to get a new compressor for the AC on it, a new belt. I got a new timing belt, water pump. But yeah, like I said, this thing, I had it for about 6 months, and it started running hot. We didn't know what was wrong with it. So we replaced the radiator, and it come to find out it blew a head gasket. So like I said, I will start either tomorrow or the following day live streaming me fixing this car. I'll do my best anyway to upload it every day. I don't know if I'll be live or not. But alright, thank y'all for stopping by, and hope you enjoy the new project. It's gonna be fun. Thank you for stopping by.